All right, so we're gonna fold the tarp. Took me about 30 minutes or so to get this done, but I'm gonna speed it up as much as I can. All right, so you always have to make sure your tarp is straight out. Bring it to the middle, straighten it, please. Straighten it. We can't stress that enough because you have to get the air up out of it as much as you can. This is probably, on this attempt, it's probably my third time folding a tarp since I've been doing flatbed. It is very important because of how you have to put away your tarps, especially being at Milton. I know you see drivers, they just strap them down and keep it moving in the wind. But at Milton, we got a tarp box, and everything is done according to the weight. So yeah, you walk it out, you fold it as much as you can, you bring it to a point, you put a bungee on it. I was supposed to put that bungee, but I didn't. So now you roll it up at this point, right? And you try to get as much air out as possible. Boom. Milton teach you how to do it with one bungee, but I've been using two because it's just like a lot. It's a lot of time, you know what I mean? Even for the fit instructor. So they go one. A trick that I have learned is that you want to fold your bungee when you got a box or wherever you're going to put your bungee at. You want to pull it in that area, but as you can see, we got machines going back and forth, so I had to utilize what I had and work with before these machines kept coming back, because these guys, they on the clock and they got work to do, so they can't be sitting here waiting for you to fold your tarp nice and neatly or have it close as you need it to your tarp box. So this is the black tarp. It's smaller. I believe it's an 8-foot drop, 20 by 8. So the guy here, he was the loader. He was waiting on me. He asked, could the other truck go? I let him go because I was still on tarp. Nice guy, nice fellow. We in Nebraska too. It was cold. It was windy. It was a lot. They had just got snow like 2 days before. So yeah, he was explaining to me just on the procedure, and he'd be waiting for me. So pretty much, this is the third. Nah, this is the black tarp. And my tarp still had like that red stuff on it from the load that I had, which was steel, and the steel came off. So yeah, you have to do it step by step, the way Melton taught us. Other people, they do it a slight bit different. I have watched other videos. Like, I'm always trying to improve and take little tips and tidbits. That's why I do YouTube, so people maybe can learn from me. You walk it out. I did that. You rolled it up. Now you get as much air out. Make sure it's on track, and you get it as tight as you need, because it's going back in that tarp box, and it might be coming right back out depending on the next load. That was it. We done.